most likely going to start getting more updates. Not another 1-year wait, but updates coming every few months. Especially with summer getting closer, they're probably going to give it their all and drop some big content during that time. Before we continue, are you looking for a cheap and affordable way to buy permanent fruits? Then let me introduce you to Bloxy Fruit Store, where everything's cheaper. They've got almost every popular Roblox game covered, so you'll definitely find what you're looking for. And on top of that, it's the easiest and fastest way to buy any item you want. You can also buy Bloxy points and exchange it for more Robux. For example, if you want a permanent ice fruit, click checkout, fill in your details, and once you've completed your purchase, don't forget to use the code REAL to get a 5% discount. After that, you will receive your ticket confirmation in your email and click on Claim Order. Now search your Roblox name and confirm. After that, copy your order ID and go to Discord. Go to Claim Order channel and claim order. Choose your language and input your order ID. And boom, your item will be delivered directly to you. What are you waiting for? Check out now. Link is in description. Because let's be real, updates like this usually don't come with just one change. Alongside the dark rework, we could also be looking at a better Valentine's event with new rewards or mechanics, possible new fruits or awakenings, and maybe even progress toward the long-rumored fourth See Nothing is officially confirmed yet. But the clues are lining up in a way that feels very familiar to longtime players. So the real question is, if Dark Fruit truly gets reworked, how strong do you think it will become? Could it jump back into the top meta again? Or even compete with the strongest fruits in the game right now? Let me know what you think down in the comments, because I read every single one. And if you don't want to miss the moment this update drops, make sure you're subscribed with notifications on. Because as soon as any real news, leaks, or sneak peeks appear, you already know. I'll cover it right here. We got some interesting news from the owner of the game. However, it's not directly from Blox Fruits. It appeared in a random game or in Roblox Studio. In the video, we can clearly see Indra emoting with a giraffe head, which is confusing. This could either be just a personal post, or it might be hinting at a new fruit, possibly a giraffe fruit. If you look at the comments, everyone had the same thought. Giraffe coming. Even Kit Gaming, one of the best YouTubers, commented and was really hyped about it. We could see this giraffe added in the next update, possibly on Valentine's Day. But, as we know, there are also other fruits expected, such as the Oni and Celestial fruits, which were leaked during the 50 billion celebration months ago. That means they're probably finished and could be added at any time. Still, knowing how Blox Fruits works, they love riddles and mystery images, and honestly, that's what makes it fun and interesting. We can't assume anything for now, but we'll probably get more news very soon. One of the admins also said that the developers are back from holidays, and 2026 is going to be amazing. Hopefully, we get something truly unique, not another rework, not another repetitive grind system. And if a giraffe fruit really gets added, that would be absolutely crazy. I'm sure they won't follow the one-piece design exactly and will instead make it more of a beast-style giraffe, especially since Blox Fruits is slowly drifting away from One Piece. Alright, so basically, humans, there are no official leaks for the fourth See yet. However, I think we can actually consider this one a soft leak. And that's because it came directly from admin Uzoth. In this image right here, we can clearly see the entire map layout, showing the first See, second See, and third See. And what makes this interesting is how accurate everything looks. The positioning, the scale, and the structure all match what we already know about the current Seas. But if you look closely on this side of the image, you'll notice something very important. There's a massive island, and when I say massive, I mean this thing is as big as multiple First See islands combined. This immediately raises questions because there is no existing See event that is even close to this size. This island is way too big to be something like a raid zone or a temporary event. I mean, this thing literally looks like an entire See by itself, and that's why I strongly believe this could be the fourth See. Another reason why this makes sense is the server limit. There are only 12 players per server, so creating an island this large just for an event wouldn't make sense at all. Events are meant to be fast, replayable, and compact, not something that takes up this much space on the map. Now, personally, I think if this really is the fourth sea, it's going to be heavily inspired by Wano. We could see islands that are very close to each other, unique environments, and a more connected world compared to the older seas. Of course, it won't be a direct copy, since we already know Blox Fruits has been slowly drifting away from One Piece to avoid potential issues. But the inspiration could still be there. So now I want to know what you think. Do you believe this image is teasing the fourth sea? Or do you think it's just a massive event island, even though honestly, that doesn't really make sense? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. So at this point, it really comes down to two possibilities. Either this new sea is almost ready to be released, or it's still deep in development and will take a lot more time to fully finish. However, considering the fact that the developers, or more specifically the admins, already showed an image of it, that alone tells us something important. You don't usually reveal something this big unless it's either close to completion or at least stable enough to tease. This image could mean that the fourth sea is already mostly done, and they're just polishing it, adding details, and testing everything behind the scenes. On the other hand, it could also be a preview build, something they created specifically to let the community know, yes, this is real, and yes, it's coming, even if it's not ready yet. Right now, the image only shows red, mountain-like terrain, which suggests that what we're seeing is either a base environment or just one section of the entire sea. That makes me believe there's a lot more that hasn't been revealed yet. Anyways, humans, that's pretty much it for today's Fourth Sea video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe with notifications on for more Blox Fruits updates, theories, and future leaks. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one.